Yeah,
Money,
yeah.
money.
Hey, Bougie, what up, boy?
You know I'm here.
Nah, I do every time I get in your
The
studio.
fuck they thought.
Nah, turn up.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I ain't
Let
with
go.
the talk.
You know I ain't with that.
I ain't with that motherfucking talk.
Can't be with that talk, dude.
Yeah, niggas ask what I do for the bread. Homicide, leave 3 of them dead. Spend the block just to say that I did it. Sharpshooter, put 2 in his fitted. Say you from the well, why I don't know you. You ain't in them streets, don't even hold me. Selling dope in the federal prison. CO bring it be gone in minutes. Why the hell you think I ain't asked for nothing? I was good the whole 13 summers. Know that I'm stepping, ain't going for nothing. Ain't doing no ducking, ain't doing no running. How the hell they thought I wasn't gonna bounce back? People crazy, what the fuck is they mind at? Heard it talking, I don't even mind that. Unless I hear it, I gotta respond back. And I'm telling about how I'ma do it. If it's personal, I ain't sending no shooters. So I'm chillin', I ain't even turned up. Why they hatin', they turning their nose up. Fifth table, I'm shooting a quarter. Losing money like getting distorted. Hit Atlanta, I'm sending a postcard. Bringing pounds back right in the rental car. Hit the studio, ain't doing no singles. Set the money up just like some Pringles. I can't write for I know she a thought. I ain't pulling up without my Glock. Fish scales, I whippin' in pot. Wrist hurtin', I still ain't gon' stop. Why they asking my whereabouts? Them niggas be knowing if they poppin' out. I ain't with the talking, leave him leaking like a faucet. 20s, 50s, 100s on his head if he cross. He ain't with the shit, he ain't bustin' off the stick. He ain't sliding for his gang, but he'll die about a bitch. All they talking to that drilling shit, that rap shit, but they pussy. Them niggas sweeter than cookies. I'm Hall of Fame and they rookies. I'm flexing on them like Lex Luger. Mac 10 came with a cooler. Catch a op and I do my dance and I disappear like I'm Peter Pan. She talking crazy my DM, I had to block her cause she messy. Can't waste the time on no peasant. Can't fuck with you if you reckless. You mad at me cause I got options. Say I'm flawed cause I'm pussy hopping. I'm my own lane, I don't do no swerving. 2 for 30 for the fiends I'm serving. I ain't with the talking, leave him leaking like a faucet. 20s, 50s, 100s on his head if he cross. He ain't with the shit, he ain't busting off the stick. He ain't sliding for his gang, but he'll die about a bitch. Yeah, metaphors, I use them at will. Smell a lot just to show off my grills. I've been home like 9 months, I've been doing good, but ain't doing bunch. Can't trust a nigga, so my circle small. Cut him off if he showing flaws. Can't tell a bitch my business. One day she might be a witness. I ain't got a deal, but I'm popping, pushing these tracks out. They ain't flopping. 10,000 streams in just a couple months. So a text message, get a nigga touch. Chasing this money, give me a rush. He got a pistol, he ain't even bust. He from the city, he ain't even lit. Flashing that money, might be a lick. No Rolex, Apple my wish. iPhone user, FaceTime a bitch. Been this nigga head, check on my kids. Color coordinator, been on my shit. Can't trust a bitch cause they be lurking. Had you dead and sneaking for no purpose. I ain't with the talking, leave him leaking like a faucet. 20s, 50s, 100s on his head if he cross. He ain't with the shit, he ain't busting off the stick. He ain't sliding for his gang, but he'll die about a bitch. I ain't with the talking, leave him leaking like a faucet.